If you're a struggling trader and want to get entry, take profit, stop loss, and use proper risk management with every trade, we have the solution. Trusted Signals TS Hunter, firing directly into Automated Trader. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a webhook. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you have Automated Trader. You guys can do that by visiting automatedtrader.com. And we're going to go ahead and name this XAUUSD. And I'm going to show you guys the settings that is producing the 75% win rate. All right, we're going to go ahead and put XAUUSD right here, and that's the pair. And then I'm going to go ahead and select this on my Vantage account. I'm going to go ahead and select both. And then I'm going to go ahead and create a webhook. All right, now you guys can notice that we have the new webhook right here. Now that we have the new webhook added to your Automated Trader, we're going to come here to the copy webhook. I'm going to come back here. You're going to click the alert icon, and then you're going to come select the indicator. You're going to select alert function call. And what the alert function call does, it makes sure that everything that happens on your chart also happens on your webhook, essentially into Automated Trader. And then you're going to paste your webhook right here. And there you have it. You're going to have every single gold trade fire into your broker using Trusted Signals and Automated Trader. I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside, and happy automating.